everyone, this is Sushmita. Welcome back to my channel. Wish you a joyous and prosperous Diwali. Rejoice on this blessed occasion and spread sparkles of peace and goodwill. If you are a new viewer, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today, I will show you a glowy makeup look along with a beautiful eye makeup, and will show you how to style 7 outfits in different ways. So, without wasting more time, let's get started. I have already prepped my skin. Now, applying primer all over my face. Now, taking 2 pumps of foundation, and with that, I will mix 1 drop of illuminator just to get that glowy effect. Now, applying foundation all over my face and neck. Now, blending with a damp sponge. Just to highlight some areas, I'm using liquid highlighter over eyelid, under eye areas, bridge of the nose, chin, forehead, and cupid bow. Now, blending with a sponge. Using liquid contour to contour my face, especially cheek, jawline, forehead, and nose. Using sponge to blend it. Using fingers over nose to blend it. As I am going for a dewy makeup look today, so I will use less amount of loose powder to set my makeup, because applying excess powder will mattify the look. Now, contouring my face again with a contouring powder, as I feel like it become light after applying loose powder. Now, highlighting the jawline with a liquid concealer. Now setting it with a sponge. Now applying translucent powder over it. Finally, to lock my makeup, I'm using a dewy setting spray. Now see the glow. It looks like it comes from within. It looks very natural and beautiful. Applying cream blusher on both the cheeks with finger. Now, taking few drops of moisturizer and mixing it with powder highlighter and apply it on the cheekbone, tip of the nose, forehead and chin. See the glow. My makeup is almost done. Next, I'll start my eye makeup. With a brush, filling in the sparse areas of my eyebrows with a brow gel. Now, using a brown eye pencil to draw a curved line on the crease area. Right on top of it, applying brown eyeshadow with a brush. Now, right above the brown eyeshadow, applying this eyeshadow. With a flat brush, applying concealer to clean the lid area. Setting the concealer with a loose powder. Now, with a liquid eyeliner, I will draw a wing. With a black eye pencil, I will tightline my waterline areas as well as applying it to my lower lid. After that, with a flat brush, I will smudge out the lower lid areas. Now, taking a black eyeshadow from the palette and with a flat brush, I am slightly pressing it to the lower lid areas. Right on top of the black liner, I'm using liquid glitter as I'm creating a festive look, so I feel glitter goes perfect in any festive season. I am going to use eyelash curler to curl my lashes. Now applying mascara to upper and lower lash line. I will do the other eye, and once I am done, I will be back. Now using false lashes. After applying false lashes, I am using mascara again to upper lash line just to get stick with the falsies and should look perfect. Now applying lip balm on lips as it does not make my lips dry before applying liquid lipstick. I am going to apply a red liquid lipstick on lips from MAC. Beautiful red, very appropriate for festive season. I'm done with my makeup. Now I will change my outfits and will be back within few minutes. So stay tuned. Here is the completed look. In look number 1, I am wearing a magenta color gorgeous sari, base color sandal, earrings, bindi and finger ring. With this sari, I have a same color blouse, but I am wearing a silver color blouse. I feel like this blouse goes well with the sari. In look number 2, I am wearing a long black flare skirt and a black long kurta, and with that wearing a Banarasi silk dupatta, wearing gold choker necklace and earrings and a gold finger ring. In look number 3, I am wearing a gold kurta with a golden palazzo and a base net dupatta, base color sandal, gold bracelet and beautiful earrings. I am wearing the same golden palazzo with a wrap golden top, beautiful neck piece and golden ring. Wearing golden palazzo, white tube top, white shrug, wearing base sandal, golden vase and neck piece. In this look, I am wearing a golden flare brocade skirt, golden wrap top, base color sandal, pearl finger ring and a pearl choker neck piece. In look number 7, I am wearing a A-line dress, golden brocade jacket, golden bell piece, sandal, pearl ring and earrings during Diwali. These last 4 outfits is a perfect wear for a neighborhood visit or to a card party.